stick your foot in there. Come on.
Good job. Is it helping you stick your tongue out?
Good job.
Hey, could you say, I'm going to jump really far like you did before?
How far are you going to jump?
2 times.
2 times. You've done it like 30 times.
She's getting tired.
How far are you going to jump?
Yeah. You getting tired?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can take a break and go play with your whale and your basketball.
Okay.
Let's look, Clem. Here we go. Move your arms, kick your feet.